turned my camera on. I got my Bluetooth Mic 2 by DJI on. And I hear rumors the DJI Mic 2 Mini is coming out. We're also happy to hear that a DJI 360 camera is in the works as well, along with FPV goggles, along with a FOV boost lens. What else is coming out from DJI? They're just pushing things out. That means I'm gonna have to get another room and make room for DJI products. I just had to backtrack, man. Don't believe the bull. Weren't you supposed to say the hype? I'm like more about the improvements in the firmware of the camera. I can't afford everything that comes out on the market. I'm getting 2 glasses and they're almost for the price of one. And these glasses are not cheap. They just flare in the sun. And that's why I want to get another lens for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Maybe I hire my own engineer to go make one, an M12, that fits the camera and get it done right. Nah, I won't do that. I just enjoy using the camera. It does a nice job and the sun's up there, not causing a flare. I'm very curious if the FOV boost lens is out for the Action 5 Pro. Are they gonna do the same thing for the Action 4? It's the same as that camera that could fit on, but are they gonna do the interface? Update the firmware. And the only way to find that part out, open up the Mimo app, go to the About, because I doubt I'm gonna see anything online that says, hey, we want firmware for the Action 4. I thought I'd pull over to the side, look at all the birds in the water. Lights are not on today, because it's daylight. So we're riding along on a nice, beautiful day. One of the last nice, beautiful days. We got more coming. This is H-Log-M, HDR, I call it. And I haven't done really a daytime shot with version 01, 02, 0330. Oh man, I almost forgot. So you get to see what a nice, wonderful mixed day it is, cloud and sun. Just to show you that these gates are open, right? Oh, can I do it? I did it, man. And yeah, when I come down in the wee hours in the morning, those gates are locked. So you're able to go down, unless you're a community member of the college, to the very end. Head into the light, fish. Head into the light. We're going down to a dead-end street. And we're going to take the sidewalk. In my last vlog, I said I wasn't going to take a bike ride on the wet road because of the slippery leaf. That's what happens when leaves are wet. You could be slipping and sliding. Public Safety Department. You think I could get in there? It's inside private side. They widen up the area, put some chess tables. They got everything down. The fence is back up. And they got the tar going. So they're almost done. Looks like they laid new pavement. Oh, fish, pay attention, man. They didn't fix this for you yet. But here we go to the beach. See what it looks like during the daytime. I'm on my bike mode now. I switched 4K 60. That's where we get to see a little bit different of each modes that I shot in, custom and all. It looks like a high tide and overcast. I gotta watch out for the people, they're in reverse. Yeah, I made my spot popular. I gotta go to another spot and make that one popular. Let's get on going. You think it's cold for swimming? You think it's the right time to swim without a partner? If you just set the camera up and watch these wonderful cloud formations go by, you have a wonderful shot indeed. That's why you swim with a partner right over there. Give you a nice panning around in the area. I always do a nice slow pan and get you seasick. Time for me to get on out. Got my footage. And I got some video to edit the next time round on a nasty day. Oh yeah, if you want a video to be edited, I use Wondershare Filmora 13. Not the best nor the worst, but does the job quite well. You like Joe, you like John. I don't like John, but I like Joe. Think I'm gonna take you and put you on there. Man, little bumpy ride it is. Get on going. Horizon balance, 4K 60. I don't think I'm on horizon balance if I'm on my custom. Now I'm definitely on horizon balance as I had to manually set it and not forget to set it back. I hope I'm not tipsy-turvy with my pitch and rolling. Well, here comes the test on a turn. The accelerometer that they say that they fixed on a car stabilization, but never for a bike. Let's pick up some speed and get up that hill. Woo, I'm gonna slow down before I get all up there. And get on down. I could roll down to the end. When I pass somebody that pulls, I make a smile. That's how I am. Make this turn. Excuse me. Oh, that was a unicycle. I know somebody who rides a unicycle like that, right? Steve WP. Give a shout out to the gentleman. Time to get on to the street because making those turns, we don't have a street entrance. So I ride down on a little curb. I hear a motorcycle popping. This is a homeless person. Always by the bay, finds a park bench, and she sets up. Well, I am Fish. I did a lot, said a lot, shit a lot, showed a lot. In a daily vlog on the daytime, version 0102033033. Oh. And on that note, I'll see you on the next video to come. Out of here.